everybody and welcome back. This is Swati Gupta, Chartered Accountant. We have recently launched a new course of income tax on udemy.com that covers a major head of income tax, that is income from capital gains or losses. It is fully updated course and covers all the important information about capital gains starting right from basics. Also, some practical examples have been used for better understanding and one sample question and answer is also solved for your reference. Also, PDF notes will be provided along with the course, and on completion of this course, you will be rewarded with a certificate. If you are really interested in knowing all about capital gains, planning and saving capital gain taxes, then you should definitely register for this course. Wishing all the very best to the joiners of this course.